Hey friends, if you wish to know what a network adapter is and what are its different types, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So a network adapter is that physical device inside your laptop or inside your desktop that allows you to connect to the network. Now obviously a network adapter doesn't have two types, but it has types for connectors which are wired and wireless. To show it on the system, I'll press Windows plus R and then type the command ncpa.cpl. Now what you see on this page are the is the software part of all of these network adapters. One is for wireless, one is for VPN, one is for Ethernet. Okay, so these are the software parts. And as for drivers, search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of network adapters. You will find all the main network adapters here. The MediaTek Wi-Fi one is usually the main one. Right click and update the drivers for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.